It is unbecoming of a Prime Minister of a neighboring country to arrest a spiritual leader. He is not taking weapons, he is not taking guns, he is caring for his people. He is just standing up for the rights and want government to hear the atrocities that is being happening on the minorities there. And arresting a religious priest is not going to do any good to them or to the people or to the country or even the image of Bangladesh. We expect much more from Professor Muhammad Yunus, who has got Nobel Peace Prize for bringing peace and security to people, and that's why he has been put there as a Prime Minister. We will not expect him to take such action which would further create more tension between the communities and fear. So, we request the government of Bangladesh to please take care of their minorities, control the radical elements that ransacking your own country and its image. Bangladesh has been known as a very liberal and progressive country. You want to take the country backward? It's very sorry state of affairs. I hope Government of India also puts pressure, and I call for the international community to not let this go the way it is going and put pressure to bring security, safety to the minorities and make people safe there.